Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to AppSex online sport program. I'm Zubia Murtaza from Army Public Schools and Colleges, Rahim Yar Khan, Kent. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss a lesson of integrated studies. The name of the textbook is Stepping Stones and the chapter name is Energy and Energy Transfer Tools and Machines. Today we are going to discuss the topic force and effects of forces, and we will go through the textbook pages 62 to 68. Introduction of the lesson is: a force is a push or pull that causes an object to move, stop or change the direction of a moving body. Nothing can move unless some force is applied. So dear students, today we are going to learn about how people can make things move. Let's see what are objectives of the lesson. Objectives are: students will be able to know how the position and shape of an object can be changed by a force. But before starting the lesson, I will ask some questions. In the previous lesson, we have discussed about the energy, sources of energy and simple machines. So dear students, tell me, what is energy? Yes, very good. Energy is the capacity to do work. Second question is, name different sources of energy. Yes, very good. Sun, wind, water, coal, gas and oil are different sources of energy. And now tell me, what are simple machines? Yes, simple machines, the tools that are very simple and do not have too many parts, are called simple machines. Now we will start our lesson. What is force? A force is a push or pull that causes an object to move, stop or change the direction of a moving body. The two forces that move objects are push and pull. We use these forces every single day. I will tell you the difference between push and pull and how to identify them. Dear students, look at the textbook page number 62. When you push or pull something, it moves. When you throw a ball, you use force. When you hit a moving ball, you use force to change its direction. When you stop a moving ball, you use force. Here, these children are using the force to throw a ball, to hit a cricket ball, to catch a cricket ball, and to change the shape of a balloon. So, the force is an influence that causes an object to undergo a change in speed, a change in direction, and also a change in shape or size. Here, the stone is at rest. It cannot move unless some force is applied on it. It only moves due to force applied by a person on it. And force can also change the state of motion of a swing. A force is categorized into two types, a push or a pull. What is push? A push moves something further away from us. Or we can say a push moves an object away from you. Here, the nurse is pushing a patient in a wheelchair. The boy is pushing the object away from himself. These are some examples of push. What is pull? A pull is a force that brings something nearer to us, or we can say pull is a force that brings something closer to us. Look at this picture. Here the girl is pulling the object towards herself. Dear students, have you ever played this game? What is this game called? Yes, tug of war. Tug of war is a game that is played all over the world. In tug of war, you want to move the rope towards you. Here, the children are applying force on the rope. They are moving the rope towards them. Here is an activity on textbook page number 66. Saif and Raza are having a tug of war. They tied a piece of black cloth in the middle of the rope. The size of arrows below show how large the forces are. The arrow also shows the direction of the forces. Look at the Saif's pulling force and Raza's pulling force. In which direction do you think the black cloth will move? And why do you think so? You will write on the lines. Students, tell me, which force can close the door of a refrigerator? Yes, we will push the door of a refrigerator to close it. And which force can open the door of a refrigerator? We will pull the door of a refrigerator to open it. Now you try. Tell me, is this a push or pull? Yes, a pull. Is this a push or pull? Yes, a push. He is pushing the shopping cart. Here is an activity on textbook page number 64. Here are some vehicles driven by human, animals, or by the force of engine. Sort them out by labeling them with correct option given in the box. An option can be used more than one time. Success criteria of the lesson is: remember that force can move or change the direction of a moving body, and also the speed of a vehicle depends upon the intensity of force applied. Here's your homework. Write answer of question number 3 in notebook. Question number 3 is: draw and name any two simple machines. And the task 2 is: solve question number 1, fill in the blanks on textbook page 67. Also solve question number 3 and question number 4 on textbook page 68. These are the homework guidelines. Students will do homework in their notebooks and in textbooks, and they will clearly mention date and day. They will capture the clear picture of homework and send it to the teacher's personal number. Thank you.